Today, I'll show you two ways to go to the settings menu or to open settings on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, the first method is the simpler one, where you simply want to swipe up from the bottom of the watch face and tap on this bolt icon. Tap on it, and this should get you into settings. Now, the second method you can use is simply press the side button on your watch and then scroll through the main menu page until you locate this cogwheel icon. So tap on it. That is also the settings icon, and it will get you to the settings page. So that's basically how to open settings or how to go to settings on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next one, take care and God bless.